good morning, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Welcome again to my Saturday live. Please support Lolo Armel Vlog. Thank you mga idol. Siyempre may galap shoutout sa lahat ng ating mga viewers, subscribers, at sa ating mga supporters. May galap shoutout. At ganun din sa ating OFWs. Good morning. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Time check natin is 11:23 July 20, 2024. So, good morning sa inyo lahat. Siyempre may galap shoutout kay Idol Norman Dacdilion, Brave Person 07, American Trackers Wife, may galap shoutout. Idol Kapitana Bensosa, may galap shoutout. Kaya Idol Kapitana, may galap shoutout. At siyempre kay Maring Kababayan Mix Vlog, thank you so much for coming. Idol Kababayan, Maring Kababayan Mix Vlog, yun. Thank you so much. Thank you po Maring Kababayan Mix Vlog, thank you so much. More bless, happy Saturday. At sa lahat po ng ating mga supporters, picks and review ng Taytay Cebu, may galap shoutout. Idol Leto Bass Mix Vlog, may galap shoutout. Idol Marilo Gonzales, may galap shoutout. Idol Sonia HK Amiga, may galap shoutout. At siyempre sa ating mga bago, YT Prince, Daiwano 876, good morning. At siyempre may galap shoutout sa 1 million person in the house. Thank you so much. More bless, happy Saturday. Tapos na tayo naglinis. Thank you so much. Michelle Alpha, thank you so much. Kaya Pele Sardinia, galap shoutout. Smokol Moria, galap shoutout.